Let's start off by talking about the various components of a map. This first slide shows an antique map made a long time ago, um, and we can see easily the landforms, where the water is, lots of creatures on both, and some other kind of map components in this. One of those would be these compass roses here, which were used to aid navigation in early days, but are not typically components of a modern day map. There's also some sort of grid along the side and the top, a little broken out area up here, maybe something like a legend over in this area here, and some other things that we still might include in a modern day map. If we compare this map to a modern day map like this image from Google Earth, we can see that it looks very different, but we still had to be concerned with the various components that go into this map. Instead of those compass roses or rung lines, now we see a grid of latitude and longitude shown as white lines, with the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn being highlighted. And we also can understand that this is now in a map projection. It's trying to show half of the world, and so it's using an orthographic map projection in this case. When we think about the various components that go on a map, we can have all of these things on our map. We can have the main map shown as this large map off to the left. We can have a small inset map that in this case zooms in to a more particular area. We can have a north arrow on that inset map to show which direction north is. We don't really need that on the map to the left because north is indicated by the lines of longitude. And then we have all kinds of other information like a legend and what map projection it's in and what the source of the data is, a title of the map, and the grid is also labeled on this map here. These map components shown in Bolstad are very similar. He includes a couple of other things. We can see the legend, the north arrow, the scale bar, all the things that we've discussed before. But now we also kind of see a media edge. You might consider this like the edge of a piece of paper that the map is put onto. There's also this idea of a neat line which goes around the various other map components, including the data pane, or we might call that the map frame in ArcGIS Pro, and that's where the map data is actually displayed.